Since the molar free energy, and depending on the mu value, the molar free energy can be drawn to this is all the fluid called that they are molar free energy. So free energy can be plotted by the test equation. So the popular kind of energy to energy. The equation we can write down there's a molar solution for the freezer energies mixture. When we mix the many the liquid, so they will be if we follow the equation, all the energy happening in the liquid or the molar free energy or the stable binary mixture function of the mole fraction of the component. So that equation can be written. So that will be the GID is equal to H1 mu1 dot plus H2 mu2 dot plus RT H1 ln H1 plus RT H2 ln H2. So in this case, G is a total energy, mu1 is with the viscosity of the liquid 1, mu2 viscosity of liquid 2, I this is the constant, T is the absolute temperature, H1, H2 are the ratio that will be mixed by these two liquids. And therefore that we can also write down the separate equation for those liquid mixture. Energy H1 နဲ့ H2 ကတော့အချိုးအစတွေဖြစ်ကြတယ် H1 ဆိုရင်ငွေရည် 1 ရဲ့အချိုးအစ H2 ကငွေရည် 2 ရဲ့အချိုးအစ mu1 mu2 ကဆိုရင်ငွေရည် 1 တွေငွေရည် 2 တွေရဲ့သူတို့က casino ဆိုရင်တော့ game bay D ကတော့ absolute temperature အဲ့ညီမချင်းနဲ့ G equal to H1 mu1 dot plus H2 mu2 dot plus RD H1 ln H1 plus RD H2 ln H2 ရဲ့ညီမချင်းနဲ့ဖော်ပြလို့ရတယ်အဲ့ညီမချင်းကို differentiate လုပ်ရင်အောက်ဖော်ပြပါညီမချင်းကိုစတိရမှာဖြစ်တယ် The molar free energy equation and also the combination of the H1 H2 the graph can be drawn in the diagram. Alors, the molar molecule now free energy molar is free energy so now do H1 H2 yeah power အချိုးအစားလေးသူရဲ့စီကနှုန်း frequency တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေကို graph မှာဆွဲပြထားတာတွေ့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ် This is we also calculate for the H2. The first formula we calculate for the H1. This is H2 for the H2. We also find out the total energy equation. ဒါကတော့ဗာလဲဆိုပထမညီမချင်းကတော့ H1 အတွက်ဖော်ပြတာ liquid H1 နဲ့အခုညီမချင်းကတော့ liquid H2 နဲ့ဖြစ်တယ်။အဲဒီ liquid H2 မှာဆိုရင်အဲဒီငွေရည်တွေနော်ပေါင်းလိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်စုစုပေါင်းဖြစ်လာတဲ့စွမ်းရည်ကိုဒီဖော်ပြထားတဲ့ညီမချင်းနဲ့တွဲနိုင်မှာဖြစ်တယ် The liquids and the liquids are combined so that there will be an equilibrium state can happen. So when you combine the liquids, they will become when the liquid mixtures are unstable, it's split into the two coexisting liquid phase. We label the one of the phase with the A dash and another phase with the A double dash. So this becomes as an equilibrium equation we have to write out. So mu A dash equal to mu double dash A. So the mu double dash mu dot alpha plus RT ln H A dash plus gamma A dash equal to mu zeros alpha plus RT ln H A double dash gamma A double dash. So the RT ln H A dash gamma A dash equal to RT ln H A double dash gamma A double dash. So the H A dash gamma A dash equal to H A double dash gamma A double dash. So this is for the liquid equilibrium equation. And now we go again the pool power the come the bomb here to a area to material change it. And material change it to a area so to do my sheet to do people loaded and people loaded so below yellow yard so mu A dash equal to mu dot to be a tell you to a baby chin cigar only as you are a double below you step yellow to mu A 0 plus RT ln H A dash gamma A dash equal to mu A 0 plus RT ln H A dash gamma A double dash ဆိုရင်ညီလာချင်းနဲ့ဖော်လို့ရတယ်ဆက်ပြီးရှင်းတဲ့အခါမှာ RTLN HA dash gamma A dash equal to RTLN HA double dash gamma A double dash ဆိုရင်HA dash gamma A dash ကဘာလဲညီလဲဆိုတော့ HA double dash gamma A double dash နဲ့ညီတယ်အဲ့ဒီခါမှာဆိုရင်ဒီပထမ liquid A dash ရဲ့ဒုတိယ liquid ကတော့ A double dash နဲ့ဖော်ညွှန်းပြခြင်းဖြစ်တယ်ဒါကဘာလဲဆိုရင်အရည်တွေပေါင်းလိုက်တဲ့ခါမှာဆိုဒီအရည်တွေကနောက်ဆုံးဘလို့တည်ငြိမ်သွားတဲ့ခါမှာအဲ့လိုညီမချင်းကိုရေးလို့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်We write down the equation for the parameter A. So the ln gamma dash divided by gamma double dash equal to ln H1 double dash divided by H1 dash. So the A H2 dash square minus A H double 2 dash square equal to ln H1 double dash divided by H1 dash. So the equation you can get 1 divided by H2 square minus H double dash square ln H1 double dash divided by H1 dash. So parameter you step ln comma 1 dash divided by comma 1 double dash equal to ln H1 double dash divided by H1 dash. And also A into H2 dash square minus H2 double dash square equal to ln H1 double dash divided by H1 dash. Now A equal to 1 divided by H2 dash square minus H2 double dash square equal to ln H1 double dash divided by H1. So at the atmospheric pressure, the water will freeze at the 0 degree centigrade. The solute is added to the water, then the mixture will freeze at the lower temperature. So there will be, in this case, a freezing point, depression, and occur with the general mixture. So the phase behavior, to demonstrate the general behavior of the binary mixture, we present a liquid-liquid phase diagram for the system of the ethanol and water at the 1 atm. So the solid line with the liquid symbols is a freezing cut of the water in the mixture. Above the gas, the solution is completely liquid. Below the gas is liquid mixture cohesive with the solid water. At this pressure, pure water freezes at the 273.15 degree Kelvin. As the ethanol is added to the solution, temperature at which ice begin to form a gradually decrease. So this is the ways of phase behavior. When you mix with the other one liquid with another liquid, there will be the temperature, the boiling freezing point temperature will be changed. At all. ပုံမှန်ဆိုလေရုပီအားမှာဆိုရင်ရေအားဆိုရင်0 degree centigrade မှာဆိုအေးခဲ့တယ်အဲ့ဒီကမှာဆိုအဲ့ဒီခါမှာဒီကိုနော်တခြားအရည်တစ်ခုထည့်လိုက်မယ် ethanol လို့ပါလို့ထည့်လိုက်မယ်ထည့်လိုက်ခြင်းအပြင်နော်အဲ့ဒီရေအေးတဲ့အမှတ်ဒီရေခဲတဲ့အမှတ်ကပုံပြီးတော့ဒီကပုံနေကြသွားတယ်နော်အဲ့လိုနေကြသွားမယ်ဥပမာအဖြစ်နော် solid liquid phase ကိုကြည့်မယ်အဲ့တော့ဒီရေကိုလည်း ethanol ထည့်လိုက်တယ်ထည့်လိုက်တဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်ရေစုအမှတ်ကပြောင်းလဲသွားတယ်ရေရဲ့နော်ခဲတဲ့အမှတ်ကပြောင်းလဲသွားတယ်273.15 degree Kelvin ကိုဖြစ်သွားတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီခါမှာဆိုရင် ethanol ကိုထပ်ပြီးပေါင်းထည့်ခြင်းအပြင်နော်အဲ့ဒီရေခဲမှဖြစ်တဲ့အခြေအနေဒီအမှတ်ဒီတဖြည်းဖြည်းပိုလျော့ကျသွားတာဖြစ်တယ်ဒါပေမဲ့အဲ့ငွေရည်တွေအားဆိုရင်သူတို့ရဲ့နော်တခြားငွေရည်နဲ့ပေါင်းခြင်းအပြင်သူတို့ရဲ့အရည်အသွေးတွေပြောင်းလဲသွားတာတွေ့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ် Keep out the condition for the equilibrium. So that we try the equation given the shape of the freezing cut, so that this freezing cut is we assume that the equilibrium condition. And our those must be the freezing cut equilibrium what is a mixture of the solid water and the solid ethanol. So this is when you mix the solid water and solid ethanol, the mole fraction of the ethanol and the temperature. So those liquid lines are that they follow that there's two glass. Any come out so the yene, the ethanol and bomb, here be a pool, a pushing a moody below my yene plus ethanol to the bounce at the face as a form of piano. One way there's a liquid phase we can write down the equation. So in this case, there's a stability conditions and UA1 equal to the UA liquid equal to UA is a solid, so then UA a liquid plus RTL and HA gamma is UA solid and the T is P. So the R from here you can calculate RTL and HA gamma is equal to UA minus UA is a liquid. So the L and the HA gamma is equal to delta G alpha divided by RT. So the mass with a liquid but the imagine sabi much MUA liquid as MUA solid and neither so MUA liquid now you plus RT L and HA gamma is so MUA solid no imagine here and RT L and HA gamma equal to MUA minus MUA is a liquid so the L and HA gamma equal to delta G dB and divided by RT so imagine yama that we can write down that this is for the delta G. Delta G is the way we use it to delta G. We expand. So this is the give free energy. G, the free energy we can write down those expansion. And all come out with delta G as we give free energy. And free energy to tap your Yeda come out with a tap equation 8/2 Yama. A combination of the solid water liquids and also the other liquids are combination. You can see the diagram. And the solid water ရေနဲ့ဒီလိုတခြားရေတစ်ခုနဲ့ပေါင်းလိုက်တယ်ပေါင်းလိုက်ကြည့်ပြီးတော့ရှိတဲ့သူရဲ့ characteristic ကိုဆွဲလိုက်ရင်ပုံမှာ So you can see that the free energy expansion equation when we mix the water and the other liquids, and we can expand the free energy equation by using the Taylor series. ဒီမှာရေနဲ့တခြား liquid နဲ့တခုပေါင်းလိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်သူ့မှာဖြစ်လာတဲ့ energy များခြင်းဒီပုံမှာပြတာတဲ့အတိုင်းပဲဒီ Taylor series ကိုအသုံးပြုပြီးချက်ထွင်လို့ရတာဖြစ်တယ် We can calculate as a constant for the mixture constant equation. So HA gamma A can be calculated by the equation. နောက်ဆုံးတော့ဒီလိုရေတွေနဲ့ပေါင်းစပ်တဲ့အချိုးအစားတွေအဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ညီမျှခြင်းတွေကိုနောက်ဆုံးတွေ့ရှိမှာဖြစ်တယ်